Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm the founder and director of Goldman and Associates. Our firm specializes in family law and related issues, subspecialties in criminal law and injury work. All of these things come up in the context of a family, or could come up, and therefore we make these videos, and we do this to provide valuable information to our viewing audience. So please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about custody, and I want to tell you that anybody who hopes to get custody really needs to watch this video and hear what I'm saying. Like most specialties and professional subspecialties that a person might need or encounter in their life, the law is oftentimes counterintuitive. What I mean by that is the thing that you think may be important to win your case may be the very thing that either is irrelevant or actually hurts your case. Therefore, if you feel that you've watched on TV where one lawyer tears apart the other person in an effort to get custody, and therefore you think it's important to begin the process of tearing down your ex-wife so that you can get custody of your kids, think again. These cases are won and lost not by throwing a bunch of garbage up there and seeing what sticks. They're won and lost based on showing to the court that it's in the best interest of the children to stay with you. It's really not about bagging on the other party. It's more about showing the court why you're the better choice. And you don't show that you're the better choice by showing that they're a worse choice. Because the court can always say, yeah, well, she's a bad choice, but you're not so great either. I find you both equally unacceptable. Maybe we should think of a third alternative. So you don't want to do that. What you need to do is show the court why you're the better choice. You need to rise above all the garbage, all the name calling, all the finger pointing. You can't go that way. If the other side chooses to do that, it's going to be great for you because it's going to play right into your hand. Why? Because the court sometimes considers, can the parties work together in a joint situation? If the court is persuaded that you conduct yourself in a transparent, above-board, reasonable manner, and the other person's a lunatic who all they can do is call you names, the court's going to conclude that the two of you couldn't possibly work together. And that means one person's going to get custody and the other won't. And as between the two, who do you think the court's more likely to pick? The one who is reasonable in explaining why he or she is the better choice, or the other one who's sitting there calling names and cursing and carrying on like a 5-year-old? The answer is the court is always going to side on the person who appears more reasonable. Therefore, in this kind of case, don't focus your attention on horribilizing the other person. Focus your attention on showing to the court why you are the better choice. And you are the better choice. So make sure that the court understands that. And understands that not so much by necessarily what you say, but how you conduct yourself with your children. How you conducted yourself with respect to other things in your life. If you do that, the likelihood of your getting a better result is dramatically improved. If you need assistance with that, call today and we'll be glad to help you out.